Hey everybody, welcome to Psychology Element. Is there a girl who you can't get your mind off of, but you aren't sure how she feels about you? Does she strike up conversations throughout the day, but you can't quite figure out if she's just being friendly? Or maybe you're not even interested in her, but worried she has an unrequited crush. Whatever the situation is, we've picked our top 6 signs a girl likes you. We love all these tips, especially the one we're about to share. It's a classic for a reason. Stick around until the end, and we hope these 6 signs that a girl likes you helps. Number 6. Her body language is sending you signals. More experts have come to a general consensus on the 7-38-55 rule in terms of how we communicate verbally and non-verbally. What is the 7-38-55 rule? It states that 7% of our communication is expressed with our verbal words, 38% is communicated through our tone, volume, and pitch, while 55% is made up non-verbally. This rule is consistent through a variety of different contexts. Whether you're having a conversation with your boss and trying to determine their true intent during a business meeting, or you're trying to figure out if a girl likes you. If you find yourself analyzing every word she said to you that week, trying to decipher phrases for clues that she has a crush, take a step back and try recalling her body language around you. One famous study identified up to 52 nonverbal cues women used to flirt. Here are some examples from the research. Their gaze. The research found that what a girl does with her eyes is a good indication of attraction. Maintaining eye contact is a signal most are aware of, but so is making short, darting gazes, especially if you're in a group of people. This could be because she's trying to be subtle with her attraction, but her eyes still naturally fall on you. There is also the very specific room-encompassing gaze, which is a distinct signal a girl tends to show when there's someone in the room they're attracted to. Basically, it's the scientific way of explaining how a girl checks someone out. The room-encompassing gaze is characterized by a woman scanning the room for about 10 seconds until her gaze lands on her potential suitor. Then, she will quickly look away before taking a second glance. The second glance will be short, with her head rotated about 45 degrees, face slightly lowered, staring briefly through her eyelashes until the object of their desire stares back. Then, after eye contact is held for about 3 seconds, the woman looks away. If you catch a girl giving you the room-encompassing gaze, there's a good chance she likes you. Another nonverbal cue girls might do if they're attracted is pointing their toes, knees, and shoulders towards you. People don't often notice themselves doing it, but when they're comfortable and interested in a conversation they're having with someone, they're likely to point their body toward you. It might seem small, but next time you're talking to a girl you like, glance at her shoes and see where they're pointing. She will play with her hair and expose her neck. Most people can easily interpret a girl twirling their hair around their fingers as being flirty, but girls are usually way more subtle than that. Instead, they might flip their hair over their shoulder and expose their neck. Exposing the neck is a sign of vulnerability and submission, a nonverbal way of saying she trusts you. If you notice a girl doing any of these nonverbal cues, her body language might be trying to tell you that she likes you. Number 5. She follows you on social media. Nowadays, social media has become a huge part of our everyday lives. When everyone seems to follow everyone on social media, a girl sending you a friend request might not seem like a big deal, but it's a good clue that she has a crush on you. Following or friending you on social media could mean a few things. It might mean she was thinking about you while you weren't around, that she wants to learn more about you, or that she wants you to know more about her. It's an even bigger signal if she begins liking and commenting on your posts or messaging you. Of course, if you're not interested in her back, this could be annoying. But if you are, it's a great sign that she wants to get to know you more. Make sure to get your emoji game up. Number 4. She asks if you're single. There are many subtle ways the topic of your relationship status can come up. You might not even notice it happened, but this is one of the verbal signals that are extremely telling. So look back on your conversations and try recalling if she's mentioned that she's single or she asked if you were. She might outright ask, "Are you seeing anyone?" If she's shy, she might ask something like, "Are you spending the holidays with anyone?" Or, "Do you live alone or with someone else?" Or, if they're more playful and extroverted, they might prompt you by saying, "I bet your girlfriend loves all those action movies you watch." If she asks about your relationship status, she's probably trying to find out if you're available. This doesn't always mean she likes you. She could be asking because she wants to set you up with a friend, or simply making small talk. However, if she also mentions that she's single herself, this might be her telling you that she's also available. If a girl begins talking about each other's relationship status, She could be hinting at you to ask her out. Number 3. She fits you into her schedule. If a girl makes time for you in her schedule, no matter how busy she is, it's a good sign that she likes you. This doesn't necessarily need to only apply to romantic settings. In fact, you might not even be the one initiating these interactions. However, if you notice that she seems to make a regular appearance at your desk throughout the workday, or she texts you at night to give you a movie recommendation, you're likely on her mind, which is a sign of attraction. In a romantic context, if you ask her out on a date and she says she's busy, even if she's being honest, it's not a good sign. If a girl likes you and she's genuinely busy, she'll usually switch some plans around to fit a date into her week, or she'll at least give an alternative day to go when she is free. Regardless, if a girl likes you, they're usually thrilled to spend time with you and will usually make it happen. Number 2. She laughs at your jokes. If you just spent your lunch break within the staff room with your colleague and you noticed the girl across from you giggling at all your jokes, you might be feeling pretty proud of yourself. Since when did you become such a comedian? You weren't even trying to be funny. Then you remember that none of your other colleagues were laughing, nor did they find you very amusing. So, what gives? If a girl laughs at your jokes a lot, especially if no one else seems to find them funny, it's a sign she's attracted to you. Some studies show that being funny isn't as objective as we might expect it to be. Finding someone attractive might actually make them appear funnier, making them laugh more. This means that if a girl is laughing at your jokes, she might already find you attractive, thus making you funnier. Number 1. She compliments you a lot. If a girl seems to compliment you a lot, even for small things that no one else notices, like your cursive writing or the way you're always 5 minutes early, it's a good sign that she likes you. Girls who are more shy or introverted, especially, may rely on compliments to show their attraction. They might not feel comfortable talking to you enough, where any of the other signals may appear naturally. Thus, she'll make use of the interactions you do have by outright flattering you. These compliments might seem quirky, trivial, or might not appear like anything anyone would find attractive, but it's a sign that she pays attention to you and finds you attractive. If you like a girl and she's giving you any of these signals, it's a great sign that she likes you back. Do you have any signs that we missed? Leave us a comment below to let us know what you think. If you liked these great psychology tips, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any psychology videos. And make sure to check out our Love and Relationships playlist for more. And thanks for watching.